Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and welcome to Grobic online classes. I appreciate the children who have completed their PWs before time and submitted to me. That's very nice of you children. But still few students are remaining who haven't submitted their work. So kindly submit it today by before 7 p.m. in the evening. बॉस मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब आप लोग अपना वर्क करके फौरन मुझे भेजते हैं सबमिट करते हैं इट इज सो गुड फॉर यू ओके एंड देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने अभी भी अपना वर्क नहीं किया है सो काइंडली do it and send it to me today before 7 p.m. Okay, and whatever work I'll give you today, you should today is 8th of May and you should submit your work before 14th of May to me. Okay, whatever work I'll give you today. Okay, so before beginning, let's have a recall what we studied in our last class. हमने अपनी पिछली क्लास में क्या क्या पढ़ा था एक छोटा सा रिकैप कर लें. We were studying chapter number 3, people around us. Okay, so let us see who are the people working around us. Okay, police. Okay, policeman. Police helps us in solving many matters, some personal, some official matters. Okay, and a tailor, he stitches our clothes. He stitches our clothes and earn money. Okay, टेलर हमारे कपड़े सीता है और हम उसको क्या करते हैं बदले में पैसे देते हैं सिलाई देते हैं राइट अ डॉक्टर helps us when we are ill a nurse of course when we are admitted to hospital a nurse helps us okay postman he brings letters to our home he is also a good important person farmer he grows crops for us which we eat. Okay. Cobbler, he mends our shoes. He is also a community help. So these are the community helpers who help us. In turn, we give them. In turn, we pay them. Okay. ये सारे कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स हैं जो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं हमारे लिए काम करते हैं और हम इनको इसकी पेमेंट करते हैं There are peoples who work without payment means they don't take anything from us they work freely okay and they are known as social workers ठीक है कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो फ्री में हमारा काम करते हैं और वो उन्हें सोशल वर्कर्स कहते हैं ओके ज्यादातर सोशल वर्कर्स गरीबों की बहुत मदद करते हैं ओके जस्ट लाइक मदर टेरेसा मेधा पाटकर बाबा आमटे ओके दे वर द ग्रेट सोशल workers. They are the great social workers. They always helped. Even Mother Teresa even got a Nobel Prize for her servings. Okay. So these are the community helpers we were learning about and social workers. Okay. Now today we will begin. Actually, in the last class I have told you about the family at work. Let us consider Ria's family. Ria is a character in your chapter. Let us consider her family. Family is the smallest unit of the society. फैमिली जो है वो सबसे छोटी यूनिट होती है हमारी सोसाइटी में ठीक है सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स जो हैं वो कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं अपने अपने तरीके से हेल्प करते हैं फैमिली में ओके एंड ऑफ कोर्स आवर फैमिली इज अ हैप्पी प्लेस सो लेट अस लर्न फैमिली एट वर्क व्हाट डज फैमिली मेंबर्स डू जैसे कि मैंने आपको अपनी पिछली क्लास में बताया था कि मम्मा जो होती हैं वो फूड कुक करती हैं मदर ऑलवेज रियाज मदर्स कुकिंग फूड शी फादर he water the plants grandmother she plays with Ria's brother grandfather he helps Ria in her homework okay and this is how they all and children help their parents and how does the children help their parents by laying the table keeping their room clean and packing their school bags okay children so now let's learn family at work let us learn what do elderly people do okay हमारे घर में elderly people होते हैं जैसे कि हमारे दादा दादी right जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं okay so most elderly people of the house usually stay at home there was a time when they also used to work but now they are old so they are staying with us okay and what do they do in their free times क्या करते हैं they spend their time reading, watching TV, और वो कैसे अपना टाइम बिताते हैं? रीडिंग करते हैं या टीवी देखते हैं या फिर और हेल्पिंग विद द हाउस होल्ड वर्क। मोस्टली ग्रैंड मदर्स कटिंग करती हैं, राइट, और चावल या दाल बीन देती हैं, राइट। सो दीज इस तरह की हेल्प ग्रैंड मदर्स करती हैं किचन में, राइट चिल्ड्रन। And some elderly people help at home by doing light household chores just like this, as you're seeing in the picture. Okay, and they play they play with children, or they teach good values. Children learn good values from the elders of their family. It's nice to have elderly people at home. देखिए, जो दादा दादी हैं वो हमें अच्छी अच्छी बातें सिखाते हैं, है ना, और हमारे साथ खेलते भी हैं अपने फ्री टाइम, राइट। सो हमें हमेशा अपने एल्डरली पीपल्स की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए एंड उनसे उनको प्यार करना चाहिए, राइट चिल्ड्रन। We learn many things from our elderly peoples, share, like just like sharing, giving and taking, giving things to others, right? So, and of course morals, grandpa, grandma, they teach us, they tell us moral stories and we learn many things from them. Now let us learn about the working children. Okay, we should learn about the working children. Working children means आप तो अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ रहते हैं, मम्मी पापा केयर करते हैं, दादा दादी आपकी केयर करते हैं, आपको कुछ नहीं करना होता है ना। लेकिन बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो बहुत गरीब हैं, जिनके पेरेंट्स बहुत पुअर हैं। ओके, सो दे हैव टू वर्क टू अर्न। उनको काम करना पड़ता है कुछ पैसे कमाने के लिए। नाउ लेट्स जस्ट लुक एट दिस बॉय मोहन। व्हाट ही इज डूइंग? ही इज क्लीनिंग द कार। ही क्लीन्स द कार्स इन द मॉर्निंग टू अर्न मनी। वो पैसे कमाने के लिए सुबह सुबह दूसरों की गाड़ियां धोता है और उसके बाद वो स्कूल जाता है। ही इज अ वर्किंग चाइल्ड। ओके, ही इज अ वर्किंग चाइल्ड मीन्स वो एक अर्ली एज में उसने काम करना शुरू कर दिया है। एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग डूइंग हिज वर्क ही गोज टू स्कूल। Like Mohan, there are some other children also who work as well as go to school to study. मोहन की तरह ऐसे बहुत सारे गरीब बच्चे हैं जो पहले सुबह सुबह काम करते हैं और फिर स्कूल जाते हैं पढ़ने के लिए। उनका भी दिल चाहता है पढ़ने का, जैसे कि आप चाहते हैं, लेकिन आपको काम करना नहीं होता है, राइट चिल्ड्रन। See, there are children who work very hard to earn some money. कुछ गरीब बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको अपनी फैमिली को सपोर्ट करना होता है और उनको बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ता है। And they are, these children, they also want to study, but they are forced to work because their family is poor and cannot send them to school. इनकी फैमिली बहुत पुअर है, बहुत गरीब है, इनको स्कूल नहीं भेज सकती, हालांकि ये भी पढ़ना चाहते हैं। तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं ऐसे बच्चों के लिए? You can, ways to help working children. आप क्या कर सकते हैं ऐसे बच्चों के लिए? आप ऐसे बच्चों को एनकरेज करें पढ़ने के लिए। Encourage working children to go to school. Okay. Explain the importance of education to their families. आप उनकी फैमिली से मिलिए, उनको समझाइए कि पढ़ाई कितनी जरूरी है। ओके, और किस तरह आप उनकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं? Give them your old books to study. आपकी जो पुरानी बुक्स हैं वो आप उनको पढ़ने के लिए दे सकते हैं। Give them your pencils, old pencils or new, whatever you want to give. Give them erasers, give them crayons, give them sharpeners which you don't use. Okay, it will help those people, those children, those poor children, and in this way you can help others. Okay, the needy ones. ठीक है children? So teach them in your spare time. और कैसे आप उनकी ऐसे बच्चों की मदद कर सकते हैं, गरीब बच्चों की? उनको उनके खाली टाइम में आप उनको पढ़ा सकते हैं। जितना आपने पढ़ा है एटलीस्ट उतना आप उनको पढ़ा सकते हैं, राइट? ओके, so this was all in this chapter, And now children, let us do the exercise. Okay, page number 17, exercise time. Write the name of a person who helps you in the following ways. A person who delivers letters to your house is known as, yes, postman. Yes. Okay. A person who repairs a leaking tap is known as plumber. Okay. A person who repairs electrical things is known as electrician. 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 A person who maintains law and order, policeman. A person who mend your shoes, cobbler. Cobbler. Okay. Let's move to the next page, page number 17, and be part of the exercise, true or false. Mother looks after the needs of the family. Your first sentence, B part, write true or false. Mother looks after the needs of the family. It is true. Okay, it is true. Second, children cannot help in household chorus. Of course, they can help. It is false. Some working children work as well as study in schools. True. Social workers and community helpers are the same? No, it is false. Social workers work selflessly. Yes, it is true. That's good. Okay, now part C. Same page. Part C. Look at the pictures carefully. Choose the correct occupation from the box and write it below the picture. You need to write the name of the peoples who pictures. Okay, the first picture is of an actor. The second picture of a girl singing. So she is a singer. The third picture, as you can see, it's a joker, it's a clown. Fourth picture, a boy is painting, drawing something. So he is an artist. Drawing a picture on a canvas, right? Okay. Next picture is of a person writing something. He is an author. He must be writing stories. Next is a girl dancing. So she is a dancer. Okay, children, you should do this work in your books, okay? And your homework today, PW, is page number 14. Saina wants to know, name two community helpers, find out the writer, find out and write the names of the two NGOs. I think I've given you this last time. So now today, page number 16, Saina wants to know, circle the places where you have seen children working. This is your PW. Okay, so complete it and I'll be sending you the PDF of question answers. Okay, so that was all. Thank you so much. Inshallah, we'll be meeting in our next class, and I think I'll be giving you a test in the next class. I'll be giving you the test details in my before the last next class. Okay, before the next class, I'll be sending a message on the class group. Okay, thank you so much. See you all. Bye.